Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KBLB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Overall today, a bearish day in and of itself, but keyword being day, meaning 1 day. Looking at multiple days, everything is still perfectly fine. So sure, this morning the price was all the way up there, and then it priced closed down there. So daily, not the best day, but overall, and looking at a whole bunch of days, which is what we're going to do right here, everything is still perfectly fine. I am going to make a little adjustment here. Now that we have more data, it seems as though that current level of support is right there at the 39-cent mark. Several times today, the price was down around that area, and you can see that it held on 3 separate occasions. And overall, though, it held. So preferably speaking, if that can continue to hold going forward, that would definitely be the best case scenario. So looking at everything, like I said, for more than just a day, multiple days, and I've talked about this before in past videos if you've watched them, but if you're new, then overall, everything is still perfectly fine. I mean, you look at where the lows have been, and then especially if 39 cents holds up there and you picture those as stair steps, then overall the stair steps are still very, very clearly going in the upwards direction, even though recently the price has pulled back from those highs. So this is not the first time it's happened. You can see right there was a pullback, proved to be healthy. There is a pullback, proved to be healthy. There was kind of a miniature pullback, proved to be healthy. Now, this doesn't mean that it's going to prove to be healthy and automatically go back up. There's no such thing as a guarantee in that direction either. My point here is that this is not necessarily the first time that this thing is actually pulled back, but the moral of the story is that as long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher lows, that's what you want to see. And, if you wanted just a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the overall chart, as I've talked about in past videos, continue to watch that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. So today, a little rough, but overall, price still has plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.